Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. The recipe that I'll be sharing you today is rice puto or putong bigas sa dahon ng saging. The last time that I made rice puto, I actually have to bring the soaked rice to our local market to grind. But this time, I will be using a blender. And let's check out if we're going to have the same result. So if this is something that you want to learn, please keep on watching. Let's check out the ingredients. Rice, sugar, baking powder, and banana leaves. Enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share, and for your suggestions or any comments or any recommendation, just type it below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a video. And you can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. And you can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.